Hey guys, Scott with Gear Reviews to do a really quick video on my 2018 Toyota Tundra. It is rudely telling me that there is maintenance required. I just wanted to show you real quick on how to reset that if you don't already know. So let's go ahead and take the key out just to show you. So we're going to stick the key in, turn it 2 times to the accessory mode. It's going to tell us that we need to go see the dealer, and obviously we don't have to do that. So basically, just to get out of that, we're gonna hit the back button, and then we're gonna go all the way over to the little gear on the right-hand side. So go over, oops, not ready to drive. Go over that, right, by hitting this arrow until we get, not the maintenance required, all the way over to the little gear. And then we're gonna go down to vehicle settings. And then the very last thing on that menu says maintenance reset. So down to maintenance reset. And literally, we're just going to go ahead and push the center button. Go up to yes, we want to reset the reminder. Maintenance reset complete. That's it, guys. Look how easy that was. Anybody could do that. Even me. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.